On this episode, we're going to figure out what to do with this front bumper. So there's nowhere for me to put you that you can see this. You're going to see sparks flying out around where that magnet is. Here we go. So this is the front view. This is kind of like a wide angle, wider angle-ish. But you can see the bottom of that front pan just right below the bottom of the bumper. And then we're moving forward. Direct view overhead. And that tube doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's got rounded edges on it, so it kind of blends in with the roundness of the truck. I like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull it out, take it over to the bench, and we're gonna finish welding it. I'm gonna have to take it off of the bumper itself to get to the top of that bracket. Maybe. No, definitely. I don't know. We'll see. Let me take it off and we'll move over there. Ah! Are you here? Yes. Get rid of this. Okay. So this is the way it was sitting, but it's upside down. So the bumper was actually hanging on the front where I drilled, and then the back is pushing up on the top. So I just set it up like that. But I don't think we have to drill like that. So we can just take this off, put it here, drill holes in it, boom, boom, boom. Drill holes in it here, boom, boom, boom. Tap that, put a bolt in, and that'll hold it. And then we can flip it over and do it the opposite direction. So, you know, the tap size for the 5/16 is around 17/64s. And this is 1/8" plate, so, you know, it's good enough to screw in. Or it's good enough to bolt in. So we'll try the first side. Let's see if any of that works. And for this one, we'll step it up to 5/16. Then I want a little bit of adjustment. So the next size up on this is 3/8, but that's pretty big. So I take, I think, 2 steps to 1132. So we settled on, we're going to try 1132 and see how much play we got. I want, ouch, I don't know, you might as well just, I think that'll be enough. I mean, you know. I guess we could measure. If I put this here, that's about 1 millimeter of adjustment. I think that'll be enough. We'll have some adjustment here, some adjustment here, so we can get our, you know, everything set right. So take this, put it back on. Probably need a washer. Yeah, that'll keep it from bouncing and shifting too much. So take this off, and then about just that pulled me up a little bit. If I go like this, is it gonna work? No. So let's put another one back here, and I think we're good. And I went 1.5 inches, so we'll go 1.5 inches, make it match. Where's my punch? Oh, right here. Dummy. Okay, I like it. Oh wait. I don't need a flashlight. We could go like this. No clearance. Let's do Okay. I got it. So wall locker, so a washer and sorry, washer, block washer, clearance. Now do this side. So I think I'm gonna do that side like I did this one, because that was pretty easy. So that takes care of mounting the bumper brackets to the frame brackets. We got them secured. We got a little bit of wiggle room in there so we can get our adjustments just right. I want 2 millimeters off the grill, 10 millimeters off the corners. So I got to break all this apart. This is going to have to get cleaned, and then we're going to have to prep it, paint it so it doesn't rust. Going to have to spray inside here. And then I'll probably weld a little plate on the back so, you know, water doesn't collect in there. Because you don't want that. Got to paint inside here. I mean, even though it's going to scratch a little bit when you put it together, still want it protected from rust so that it doesn't, you know, rust. Hate rust. Don't forget to like the video right here and subscribe over here. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.